Now, underlying causes for chronic burping number 2 is going to be a weak LES valve, which is a lower esophageal sphincter valve, or a hiatal hernia. So this lower esophageal sphincter at the bottom of the esophagus opens so food can come back in, but then it closes so stuff doesn't come back up in reflux and cause all that acid reflux or heartburn type symptoms. The problem is that valve is triggered by stomach acid. So if someone's having acid reflux, it's often because they don't have enough acid in that stomach to trigger that valve to close properly, and then the small amount of acid they're having is coming back up and burning them. So to fix acid reflux, we help people improve that stomach acid production and then really acidify the stomach, and then it triggers that valve to close.